Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're diving into Hyundai's latest high-performance electric vehicle, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5N. Buckle up, because this ride is packed with some serious punch and cutting-edge tech. The all-electric Ioniq 5 already wowed us as the 2022 EV of the year, but Hyundai isn't stopping there. Enter the Ioniq 5N, a high-voltage model for those craving maniacal performance. It's not just a rebadged Kia EV6 GT. Hyundai's N division has tuned it to create a unique beast. With dual electric motors churning out 601 horsepower, bumped to 641 with the N Grin Boost, the Ioniq 5N is a force to be reckoned with. Sporting features like a large rear diffuser, bigger wheels, stickier tires, and a racier nosepiece, this SUV means business. Our test drive of the prototype left us eagerly anticipating the finished product. The Ioniq 5N is the new high-performance addition to the lineup, arriving in March 2024 as a 2025 model. It packs go-fast enhancements over the regular Ioniq 5 and shares some features with the Kia EV6 GT. Starting at $67,495, the Ioniq 5N comes in a single trim with few options. Color choice is the main decision. Hyundai's Performance Blue, perhaps? Equipped with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup, the Ioniq 5N generates 601 horsepower, which can briefly boost to 641 with N Grin Boost. It features 4 driving modes: Eco, Normal, Sport, and N, and even a dedicated drift mode for tail-out fun. The simulated gearshift feature adds to the thrill, making it feel like a multi-speed automatic. Our test drive showed the Ioniq 5N handles straight-line launches and mixed traction surfaces with ease, offering balanced and controllable handling or drift-happy fun. Hyundai claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.3 seconds, but our tests clocked it at an impressive 3.0 seconds flat. The quarter mile? Done in 11.1 seconds at 123 miles per hour. With an 84.0 kilowatt-hour battery, the Ioniq 5N offers an EPA estimated range of 221 miles. Our real-world tests managed 190 miles on the highway. On a DC connection, it charges up to 238 kilowatts, allowing quick recharge times between track sessions. Inside, the Ioniq 5N retains the standard model spaciousness but adds performance-oriented features like aggressively bolstered seats and a unique steering wheel with drive mode buttons. Expect similar cargo space, fitting up to 20 carry-on suitcases with rear seats folded. Hyundai keeps mum on specifics, but expect the same 12.0-inch touchscreen and digital gauge cluster as the regular model, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While official details are pending, we anticipate standard features like automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and available adaptive cruise control with lane centering.